Can you solve all these Class 4 Art and Craft, Chapter 1 Nature drawing questions? Processing includes. Good thinking. All above is the right answer. What does head stand for? Excellent choice. Hard disk drive is the right answer. Internal hard drives are dash. Nice work. You chose inside a computer and it is correct. Is an example of input device. Nicely done. Touchscreen is a solid answer. Storage devices are generally dash. Valid point. None favorable is true. What does the word obsolete mean? Smart pick, no longer in use, is the correct choice. Optical drives are used to read dash. Exactly. CDs make sense and it is right choice. Hardware devices connected to system. Smart move. Peripherals is an accurate answer. Which of these is not a type of SD card? On track. X large SD is the correct answer. Which of these is not a type of floppy disk? You chose 4.3 per 4 inch. And it is correct. What year did the first flash drive come out? Nice selection. 2000 is the correct and valid answer. Visible or audible results of data processing. Well done. Output is the right choice. Raw data that is fed into an information system. Right again. Input is a valid answer. What must you do before removing your flash drive? Correct. Eject it is the right answer. What is the storage capacity of a 31 by 2 inch floppy? Clear logic. Your choice 1.44 MB is sound and 100% true. In which decade was the first floppy disk introduced? Excellent. 1960s is a brilliant choice. What do optical drives use to read data on CDs or DVDs? Great thinking. Laser is the right choice. One of the easiest storage devices without moving parts is a dash. Well reasoned. Flash drive is the correct choice. Which type of storage device generally has the largest capacities? Right choice. Hard drives is the best answer. Is the unit which carried out all instructions, and it's the brain of the information system. Good job. Your answer SIPO works well here. A type of portable storage that is similar to flash drives and is used in many digital cameras. Sharp thinking. SD card is the right choice. The term used to describe the way information systems converts raw data into useful information. You got it. Your choice processing is right. A system that performs many tasks can be described in terms of input, output, storage, processing, and feedback. Correct response. Function of computer system is the most accurate answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Perfect. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is the correct choice.